Let me begin by saying that I would recommend using Inspire Property to help you purchase an apartment in Barcelona. My experience with them has been excellent. From the very beginning of the process, they were clear on what I could expect and not only assisted me with finding a really, really nice apartment off market, but also with arranging my mortgage, arranging bank accounts, arranging the NIE number that's required for tax purposes, and all the other administrative details. It's been quite a journey. We have been working on this now since the beginning of the year. We've looked at many, many properties, both online and in person. And I've benefited throughout from what has been very good advice. They've been flexible too, which has been very helpful because my needs changed a bit since the first places that I looked at, and changing a little bit as the year wore on, and I saw more and more places, and we discussed my needs in more detail. The experience has been really, really good, both from the property appraisal perspective, property finding perspective, and last but by no means least, the legal perspective, where I've received a lot of assurance, and in the end we've completed today, just now, with an excellent notary here in Barcelona. So I have to say it's been great working with Kim and with Anna and with Raf and with Caroline, and I know this sounds like they've paid me for an advertisement. In fact, I've paid them. But I think it's been good value for money. And let me say one last thing, which is that we changed I started out doing a self-search process, and about halfway through we switched to the full search process where Inspire do the heavy lifting of the finding for me. And actually that worked out really well. I was glad to switch to the full process in the end, because actually they found things I never would have. So it's been, I mean, we've had some interesting moments too, because we lost out on, I think, it was 3 properties, I think. Certainly 2 properties. I can't quite remember now, Anna. Maybe you can remember. But there were 3 properties that Anna looked into for me. There was one that we lost out, but there were 2 others where it turns out that there were problems with the title deed, and Anna, the lawyer at Inspire, found these problems, and it was all resolved. So it's not that this has been trivial. There has been a lot. There have been a lot of mistakes prevented, thanks to Inspire, as well as finding a really nice apartment that I'm delighted with in the end. So I would recommend working with Inspire, with Raf and Anna and Kim and Caroline. They're great, really good. Thank you very much.